we have a new upgrade in the product are required. We have new machinery, we have new design, we have new specification and standard. That for 5 years we need to reconsider training and reconsider re-educating this. And we have a new generation also with from employment and youth to work in these factories, and graduation from 5 generation of graduate students from the university start looking for works. So they better to be educated before they can work in the planet.
Do you think the new deal between Egypt and Gaza will improve the situation? And if so, how soon will those effects flow on?
I think in this time it's better to have an agreement between Palestine and Egypt, even it is for partially or for a small time. So we can't just stop it and wait. Any solution is required to continue, and because that is life and we can't stop. The employees must get the food for the people, for their children. They can't stop work simply like that.
How many factories have closed as a result of the recent crisis?
You are talking about more than 1,500 industrial plants were destroyed or closed because losing their markets, losing their investments, and they lost business, they lost their workers. You're talking about more than 1,500 stopped work, but now we have 700, 800 only as an activity.
And how many people does it take to meet the local demand? How many workers, given that you have no exports, how many workers does it take to meet local demand?
The local demand is not very big, that requires a new employment. That's a problem in the employment in Gaza. The market is pretty small. When the factory works with the 20% capacity, they cover more than 80% of the local demand on the market, on the local market. So simply he do not need the new workers if he still work with for the local market. But if we talk about exporting, they will run more than one production line. They have to work 24/7 to cover the demand and cover the unstoppable demand from outside. So they will have to have 2 or 3 work period, and on the factories we have to look for new workers, have to develop new machine or production line, and expand our business. To expand our businesses.
What would be required to get the export sector back up and running?
As the Palestinian Federation of Industries, I think export need a very stable political situation first. Then we will talk about the crossing and what they need in it, and we will talk to and we are discuss the markets. They expect it to be out the potential market for exporting. What are they want from us? What are the standards? What are the amount of demand we can cover it? What type of products we need to produce for them? This is a very big work, but we cannot do this without a guarantee for export.